Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video, and today I'm on the platform Pocket Option utilizing a strategy that I've been working on for the past few weeks. Very consistent strategy. I've been in the binary options game for a very long time, since probably about 2008, 2009, right before binary options became really popular. Uh, some may even call me the binary options godfather. In any event, okay. So the strategy that I'm utilizing takes advantage of two moving averages here. So what you would do is go into your indicator section and click on moving average twice, and then this will pop up here. And so the first moving average I've set to 10 period EMA. The line that I've set it to white, 2 pixels, and then you just go ahead and save. The second moving average is the 50 period EMA, exponential moving average, and I've set the line to green and 2 pixels. Okay, in addition to that, my candlestick charts I've set to 15 seconds, regular Japanese candles, and my trade timer to the right here I've set to 1 minute. So I'm going to be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Come back and explain the setup. Okay, so I'm back on the TND USD OTC pair, and I just took a trade, a bearish trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first, you see the crossover of the 10 EMA and the 50 EMA at the top. Secondly, I noticed the price broke that previous level of support here, which is denoted by the green line that I have here. And so I waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA line and took a sell trade. All right, so let's watch the trade here. We also notice there's a nice bearish trend happening in the pair. So that's another good sign. And okay, we won that trade. All right, that was a good trade. All right, I'm pause the video and look for the next trade. Okay, so I'm on the USD MXN OTC pair, and I waited for the crossover of the 10 and the 50 EMA line, and then waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA, and took the sell trade. All right, so let's watch this currency pair. Let's wait for the expiry. Okay, good. We won that trade. Was closer than I had wanted, but we'll take the win. All right, let's move on to the next uh, setup. Okay, so I'm on the SAR CNY OTC pair. Uh, as you see here, nice crossover of the 10 EMA with the 50 EMA, bearish candles pushing downward. And then I waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA line. And soon as that price hit that 10 EMA line, I took a put trade or a sell trade. All right, so let's watch this. Uh, and wait for the expiry. Okay. Wow, that was another close one, but we won that trade as well. Uh, the strategy worked in our favor. I may have hit the sell trade a little late, but nevertheless, we won that trade. All right, so let's look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the USD CNH currency pair. First, we see the crossover of the 10 EMA with the 50 EMA. Strong bullish movement going on, and then the price broke the previous level of resistance here. And so I waited for the retracement back to the 10 EMA line, and I took the trade. And the trade is looking really good here. It's one of the better trades. But we have to wait for that retracement. The price has to hit the 10 EMA line, not the candle wick. And yes, we have another winner here. Okay, so I'm gonna end the session right now. I think we got 4 out of 4 trades or 5 out of 5. I'm not sure. But if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I've been in the binary options game for a very long time, longer than most people, since 2008, 2009, since before binary options became really popular. Uh, I have a link to the platform, the Pocket Option platform, in the video comments and in the channel description. So feel free to open up a demo account and try the strategy. I would recommend you practicing on a demo first. And I also have several other videos in a playlist on my channel that goes into this strategy in depth, talks about situations where you don't want to take certain trades, even when you see the crossover and the retracement. So I recommend that you watch all my 10 EMA, 50 EMA strategy videos. And that's about it. So signing off, Gus Schmidt. Thank you for watching.